Namaste, children. Welcome back to EVS class. Children, in today's class, let us learn about transport and communication through ages. Children, observe this picture. What you can see here, children? You can see the two oxen, or we can also say buffaloes. Bullocks. They are carrying the people, isn't it? And can you see here? Here also they are carrying passengers, maybe, or goods they carry. Can you see here, children? The horse is carrying the people, horse carriage. See here, these horses, they're also carrying people. Donkey, donkey is carrying a lot of loads, isn't it, children? Yes. You look here, see the camel, how huge load it is carrying, isn't it, children? And you can see here the camel, they carry people or the passenger for the rounds. And also you can see even the elephants also, they carry heavy loads, children. Previously, before many years, that is the ancient people, they used to carry by themselves all these goods. Later on, they started rearing the animals, so they started to carry goods on the animals, because in those days they did not have any modern means of transport which we have now. So what they used to do is they used to use some of the animals I showed you, like elephant, camel, donkey, horse, bullock. All these animals they used to use for carrying the goods or carrying people from one place to another. And also, children, do people use animals for transport in your locality? You are in Bengaluru city, isn't it? Do anybody use animals for carrying? No, we may not see now, because nowadays, we have got so many modern means of transport. There are many. Let me show you. See, bicycle came in the beginning. With the help of bicycle, we can move from one place to another. Car, still faster we can move from one place to another. And train, children, oh, many passengers together or much goods can be carried from one place to another through railroads. Okay. And ship, children, oh, huge people can be carried in the ship. Aeroplane, very fastest means of transport. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport, because very soon we can reach wherever we want to go. You can see the trucks, children. Trucks, lorries, school vans, all these things, it has replaced the animals. They have replaced the animals. That means whatever the work was done by the animals, now it has been done by these trucks. Trucks carry heavy loads. Trucks and lorries They carry heavy loads. And as you all know, even in the ship, because if we want to carry very quickly, aeroplanes are used, ships are used in waterways from one place to another if we want to reach. And in train, lot of space will be there. Goods trains only are there for the transportation. So like this, see children, why we are not even now in some of the villages they use these animals for carrying loads and other things, but it is not humanity, children, because animals, they are also having life. When they feel very tired when they carry these things. So when we have got this modern means of transport, we are not supposed to go for the olden or the ancient means of transport by using the animals, because animals are also like us. They are also like human beings. They too have life, they too get pain. So we must so tell me children, some of the names of the animals which were used in the transport in olden days. You must tell me, in olden days, which were the animals used. Let me tell you: horse, sheep, camel, elephant, donkey, bullock. All these animals were used to carry the goods. Okay, children? And now you must write the names of the animals which are used for transport even today. Even now they are using some of the animals that you must write down. And also you must collect the pictures of these ancient means of transport as well as modern means of transport, and make an activity by writing below them some of the information regarding those. Okay children, I am going to give you some notes. Please copy down. Thank you children.